Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Hey, yeah, I slept great. How about you?
Not bad, thanks. I'm just getting some coffee ready.
That smells good. Is there any left for me?
Sure, I made a full pot. Help yourself.
Awesome, thanks. I really need that. I'm home. Long day at the office.
Welcome back. You look tired. How was your day?
It was okay. A little busy. What are you up to?
Just finishing up some laundry. Are you hungry?
I am. Is there anything quick we can make?
I think we have some leftovers. I'll check. Hey, are you done with the TV remote?
Oh, hi. Yes, I am. I was just watching the news.
Cool. Do you mind if I put on a movie?
Not at all. Did you find something good?
I think so. It's that new comedy.
Sounds fun. Enjoy.